Infertility is defined as the inability to get pregnant after 1 year of trying regularly with unprotected intercourse. And so, when you go to your fertility specialist for investigations, there could be a battery of tests, a number of tests. These involve blood tests and also ultrasonography. Hi, I am Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Let's talk about the blood tests first. It's good if you can get them done on the day 2 of your period because some particular hormones need to be investigated on day 2 or day 3. Let's talk about those first. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, estrogen, progesterone. All these should be investigated very close to the beginning of the period so that we get the exact baseline values of the hormones that are regulated in your body. In addition to these, thyroid stimulating hormone, anti-Mullerian hormone, prolactin are also examined because these let us know about various other bodily functions. Now, prolactin lets us know if your hypothalamus is functioning properly. High elevated or hyperprolactinemia could mean that your body is sending wrong signals, and that could be the reason for ovulatory disturbances. When prolactin is high, the body assumes that you are pregnant, and so it's difficult for you to get pregnant because ovulation disturbances happen. When thyroid is high, hyperthyroidism, or when it is low, hypothyroidism, also there are ovulatory disturbances, miscarriages, or that could be the reason for implantation failure of the embryo. So thyroid is also examined. Anti-Mullerian hormone gives us an idea about how many oocytes or eggs are there in your ovaries. This is defined as per your age or the factors that you're going through. Maybe you have endometriosis, maybe you have poor ovarian reserve, maybe you have hormonal disturbances or PCOS. All these can be exactly depicted from your anti-Mullerian hormone examination. In addition to all these, CBP also should be done, a complete blood picture, because if there is something wrong there also, the treatment which is given may not be optimal. So, complete blood picture is also examined. Of course, vitamin D, vitamin B12, because they also contribute to fertility. And when treatment is given, when these vitamins are also balanced, it's easier for you to get pregnant along with treatment. In addition to this, ultrasonography is performed. Ultrasonography checks for any malformations in the uterus, any defects in the uterus, or to see if everything is alright. Also, the ovaries are examined. The tubes are also examined by a hysterosalpingogram, which tests if your tubes are open or not. These are the preliminary examinations which are performed by a fertility specialist before they begin to treat you or even decide which treatment will work best for you. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to call us. Thank you.